It's looking like Groundhog Day in Malaysia. Plunged back into total lockdown, this is the second time businesses have shut their doors and people have been told to stay home in over a year. But for some, the lockdown is too late.
For me, the lockdown should have been carried out during Ramadan, where there were fewer cases and people didn't move around as much.
I think even with the new restrictions, the airports are still open, so there's still a potential that COVID can spread, even while the people are struggling under lockdown right now.
For the next fortnight, only essential businesses are allowed to operate. People need to stay within 10 kilometres from their homes. Schools have moved to online learning and residents can jog around their neighbourhoods, but cycling is not allowed.
Malaysians are getting tired. The public fatigue has set in. But, the police chief said the virus doesn't go fatigue. There's no room for that. This is a do or die battle.
It's all a part of efforts to bring Malaysia's healthcare system back from the brink of collapsing as COVID cases continue to surge and hospital ICUs fill up. The Prime Minister says it's not an easy decision, but a necessary measure.
As with the first lockdown last year, I would like to announce as a show of support that ministers and deputy ministers will forego their pay for 3 months starting from today.
Those wages will be donated back to the government in an effort to bolster the country's health defences against the virus. And with money on the mind, the Prime Minister is hoping an almost $12.5 billion stimulus package will cushion the fallout from this lockdown. But will it be enough?
It will force non-essential sectors to close down. And again, this will impact workers and job security and their livelihoods. With a 5 billion ringgit of additional aid will still put us below the debt ceiling.
In the capital, Kuala Lumpur, an exhibition building has been converted into a mass immunisation centre as the government aims to raise the vaccination rate by a third to 150,000 a day.
Only when the spread of the virus is contained can negative business sentiments turn into positive ones.
Another measure in Malaysia's plan to help stop the virus from further devastating the country's health and economy. Jordyn Butler, ABC News.